In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your finalized project from Descript, once your project is completely edited and ready to go. The next step is exporting it so you can save it to your device and use it wherever you need. This process is simple, but it helps to know exactly where to click and what each option means, so you choose the right file type for your goal. Start by opening Chrome and loading your finished project at web.descript.com. Make sure you're working from the finalized version before exporting, especially if you've made recent edits. It's always a good idea to quickly review the project one last time so you can confirm everything looks and sounds the way you want before creating the final file. Once your project is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the blue Publish button. This opens the menu where Descript gives you different ways to share or output your work. Since the goal here is to download a file, you'll be working from the export options rather than the general publishing tools. From the drop-down window that appears, select the Export tab. This is where you control how your project will be turned into a downloadable file. If you don't immediately see the option you need, just take a moment to look through the available export settings carefully before continuing. Next, choose your desired output format. This is an important step because the format should match how you plan to use the file afterward. For example, if you need a full video that includes visuals and audio, choose Video MP4. If you only need the sound, such as for a podcast episode or voice recording, choose Audio MP3. And if you need captions or subtitle text, choose Transcript SRT. Picking the correct format now saves time later and helps avoid having to export the project again. After selecting the format you want, move to the bottom of the window and click Export. Descript will begin preparing the file, and once it's ready, it will download directly to your browser. Depending on the size of your project and the speed of your connection, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time to finish. When the download is complete, check your browser's downloads area or your computer's default downloads folder to locate the exported file. That's all it takes to export your finalized project from Descript using Chrome.